Hi everyone, it's Daryl from the Center for Accessible Learning at Camosun College. In this video, we'll be discussing the steps to obtaining and using a BC Services card to verify your identity with Student Aid BC if you are applying for a full-time, first-time student loan in preparation for also applying for permanent disability grants. Students applying through their My Dashboard with Student Aid BC will be asked to verify their identity the first time they apply for a full-time student loan. Verifying your identity requires a BC Services card. Check to make sure you don't already have a combined driver's license BC Services card. If you do, use that instead. If you don't have a services card, you can get one by visiting an ICBC driver's licensing office, where they'll take your photo and review your identification and then send you a services card in the mail. In Victoria, there's a number of locations you can go to do this. The most common ones being the Victoria Driver's Licensing offices on Mackenzie Avenue and Wharf Street. Alternatively, there are other locations in Sydney, Souk and Mill Bay, and in other areas of the province. Before you go to a driver's licensing office to request your BC Services card, you should visit ICBC's Driver Licensing Accepted ID website. If you click on the Confirm My Required ID button and answer a series of questions, the site will tell you the appropriate identification to bring. The list of approved identification varies based on how you answer the questions. Once you've received your BC Services card, you can download a mobile app, follow the instructions in the app, and complete a one-time security check to verify your identity. This involves either a live video call, you sending a video, or if you don't have those available, attending in person at a BC Services Centre. Check out the YouTube video in the description that takes you through this process step by step. Once you've gone through the process and have added your card to your mobile device, you can use that device to go to the Student Aid BC website. There's a login and register button on the site. In the next step, this login button should take you to the dashboard where you can now apply for your full-time student loan. We hope you found this video describing the process of verifying your identification for Student Aid BC helpful. Thanks for watching the video.